Thank you for the invitation to participate this evening. As Mayor of Lolland Municipality, it is a great honor to be able to bid the Calip welcome in Denmark. It is always important to support the religious voices that speak of peace, tolerance and charity. This is especially true in times like now with mistrust and fear. These are challenges that we all face and that we all have a responsibility to address. I'm therefore pleased that Denmark's oldest Muslim organization today is part of the religious picture of on Lolland, whom I'm representing this evening. Here you are a part of a religious picture in line with many other religions: Jews, Christians, Buddhists and Muslims. On Lolland there has always been room for and a tradition for that different faiths can live in harmony with each other and without being subject to any kind of conflict. Your and Calip's desire for tolerance and love illustrates this tradition very well, and we are happy that your fellow believers have found place for a mosque in Narskov. We are proud that you are part of our community. Thank you again for the invitation and welcome to Denmark. Thank you.